Hello friends, in this video you will learn what is used as a would have plus verb of third form and would have plus verb of third form. These are both same, but their sense are different, their uses are different, and they use in different situations. So today I'm gonna show you how can you use same model verb in two different situations. So let me start the discussion about it. I hope this video will help you a lot and you will enjoy this video. So first of all, I'm going to talk about would have plus verb third form. This modal verb can be used to show some past action that had been completed, as well as it shows like that action had been completed, it is not sure. And I'm going to show you differences between will have and would have, because will have and would have has a similar meaning, but they use in different situations and they use in different places. So here you can see the differences, like will have plus verb third form and would have plus verb third form. Will have plus verb third form shows like something will be complete in the future. It means some action will be done in the future. And otherwise would have shows like something would have done in the past. It means some action had been completed in the past. So these are the major differences between will have and would have. And I'm gonna show you a few examples for more clarity. So here you can see you will have gone there tomorrow. It means this sentence is showing like you will reach there tomorrow. It means this action will be complete next day. And otherwise you can see would have like he would have gone there yesterday. It means he had reached there yesterday. It means this action had been completed past day. And you can see my second example, like she will have met him this weekend. This action is showing like she will meet with him this weekend. It means this time she has not been met with him, but this meeting will be complete this weekend. And otherwise you can see would have like he would have met her last week. It means this action is showing like he had been met with her past week. It means this action, this meeting had been completed a few days ago. And you can see my third and last example, like we will have learned speaking English till the next month. This sentence is showing like this time we are not able to speak English, but till the next month we will be able to speak English. It means this action will be complete till the next month. And otherwise you can see would have like they would have learned speaking English few weeks ago. It means this sentence is showing like they had been learned speaking English a few weeks ago. It means this action had been completed a few weeks ago. So here you can see the differences between will have and would have. Like will have is showing like some action will be complete in the future, and would have is showing like some action had been completed in the past. So now you can see second uses of would have plus verb third forms, and here you can see the definition like something would have done but could not have done. It means in the past you had an opportunity to do something, but unfortunately you could not do. So here you can show your regretness for those actions that you could not complete. And I'm gonna show you a few examples for more clarity, like he would have gone there yesterday. This sentence is showing regretness of the past, like in the past he had a chance to go there, but he could not go there, and now he's showing his regretness, like he's saying he would have gone there yesterday, but he could not go there. I don't know why he could not go there or what he has a problem, but he could not complete his action. And you can see second example, he would have met her last week. This sentence is showing regretness of the past, like in the past he had a chance to meet with her, but he could not meet with her. I don't know what he had a problem, but he could not complete his meeting, and now he is regretting. He is saying he would have met her last week, but I could not meet her. I don't know what he had a problem, why he could not completed his meeting. And here you can see third example, they would have learned speaking English few weeks ago. This sentence is also showing uncompleted past action, like they are showing their regretness, like they had a chance to learn speaking English in the past, but they could not learn speaking English. I don't know why they could not learn speaking English, but this sentence is showing they had a chance in the past to learn speaking English, but they could not learn speaking English. So here you can see the differences between would have plus verb third form and would have plus verb third form. First usage is showing like would have means some action had been completed in the past, but it is not sure. And second usage is showing like in the past you had a great opportunity to complete your goal, but you could not complete your goal, and now you are regretting about that if you would have done so today, it would be a better future. So I hope you have understood about both words. If you think it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.